Having effective listening skills means being able to display the interest in the topic discussed and understand the information provided. But you might be thinking, why am I talking about listening skills? I usually talk about speaking because listening skills are just as important as speaking skills. Being a good listener helps you solve problems, resolve conflicts, and improves the quality of your relationships. So in this video, we'll be talking about what are some ways that can help you improve your listening skills coming up in this video. Now, listening is not just about listening, but body language plays a major role, and eye contact is just one of them. Now, I don't mean that you refuse to blink and constantly look into their eyes until they have stopped speaking, because that would be awkward. But what I mean is that you give them your undivided attention and you face them when they are talking to you. Now, just as you're maintaining eye contact, make sure you nod because that shows that you're a good listener. Smiling and nodding could probably be the best way to show that you're listening and want to hear more, and it doesn't require you to interrupt the speaker in any way. So don't take smiling and nodding for granted. Use it whenever you're listening to someone. Just another tip for your body language is to adopt an open posture whenever you're listening to someone. Listening starts with the way you're standing or sitting. So if you're constantly tapping your feet, folding your arms, or pursing your lips, it shows that you're not interested in the conversation. So try and adopt an open posture whenever you're listening to someone and consider leaning forward to show that you're interested in the conversation. Now just don't act like you're listening to someone. There has to be an authentic desire to listen. Some people just listen to interject or change the topic, but there has to be a genuine interest and curiosity whenever you go into a conversation, because that is the only way to make the other person feel your presence. So now that you're making the other person feel your presence, you would want to make them feel acknowledged as well. And the only way to make them feel acknowledged is by asking open-ended questions. Open-ended questions shows your desire to engage in a proper discussion and promote longer, thoughtful responses. So if you're meeting someone new in the college, you could ask them, how was your high school experience? And after you're in the talking terms with that person, you could ask them, what is your favorite childhood memory? So this is just an example of how open-ended questions promote longer, thoughtful responses. Now the last tip that we are going to talk about in this video is always remember past details. If you could add a comment that proves that you have listened and remembered something from a past conversation, this would certainly make people feel valued. Remembering something like their favorite TV show or their favorite cafe can help you build stronger relationships. Now there's a lot to be talked about active listening, and I'll be coming out with more videos on the same topic. Till then, try to engage yourself in a conversation and keep practicing your speaking skills, and I'll see you in my next video.